us.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the beautiful Etobicoke Creek Trail in Brampton, Ontario. This scenic trail stretches along the Etobicoke Creek, offering a peaceful escape into nature right in the heart of the city. As you ride along, you'll notice the lush greenery and the gentle flow of the creek, providing a serene backdrop for your journey. The Etobicoke Creek is a significant waterway in the region, originating in Caledon and flowing through Brampton before joining the Humber River in Toronto. This trail is part of a larger network of trails that connect various parks and natural areas, making it a favorite spot for locals and visitors alike. The trail is well maintained and offers a smooth ride for cyclists, runners, and walkers. Historically, the area around Etobicoke Creek has been inhabited for thousands of years, with Indigenous peoples using the creek as a vital resource. In more recent history, the creek has played a role in the development of Brampton, providing water and a natural boundary for the growing city. As you continue your ride, you'll pass through diverse landscapes, from open fields to wooded areas, offering a glimpse of the rich biodiversity that calls this region home. The trail is also a great spot for bird watching, with many species making their homes in the surrounding trees and wetlands. Whether you're here for a leisurely ride or a brisk workout, the Etobicoke Creek Trail provides a wonderful opportunity to enjoy the outdoors and connect with nature.